Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. My daughter Noortje and I have been shopping. We've been to The Action. The Action is a store in the Netherlands that sells really cheap stuff, and they buy in bulk, and they are also in other countries in Europe by now. But it's a Dutch store and I absolutely love it. It's really hard not to buy something over there. But we haven't been there for ages because of COVID. I haven't been outside very much. And now that we are going to stores and other places a bit more often, we find it very hard. Because my daughter and I are both autistic, and we do have lots of sensory issues. So the sounds, the music in the store, all the people everywhere, everything is moving, it's really... Yeah, we know 1.5 years of pandemic and staying inside, and everything is quiet. We really need to get used to that again. So we thought, let's go to The Action because it's our favorite store. Go on a time when there aren't that many people, and it was wonderful and we loved it. But yeah. So anyway, I am decluttering because I have a new craft corner and I can't fit everything in there. So I bought this. I know. Come on, everyone who crafts is a little bit of a craft hoarder. I am, anyways. But I did put away so many items. I put them back. I thought, no, I don't really need that. And I don't really need this. Although some of these items are very handy. This is just too cute not to buy. And I always am looking for really nice brushes like this one. These two are really nice. And I do like the grip on here. So I thought, let's just try these. I'm just gonna unpack them. Wait, let me just put this to the side. Oh, spoilers. Well, you still see it a little bit. So I bought these brushes. And, oh, actually this is really nice. A brush is always very thin and difficult to hold. When my hands are shaking, this might be nice. And otherwise you can take it off. Nope, you can't. So I need to get used to this and think it's really nice, but it looks awesome. So these brushes I'm just gonna put on my desk because they just look so awesome. I mean, it's a pink brush, come on. But I am going to use them, of course. It's not just because it looks nice. It's I thought this one was really nice, and also this one. So pastel colored brushes, I love it. And then I saw this. I saw some glittery watercolor paint, and if you saw my previous video, you know how I love to work with watercolor. Okay, so this is actually, I still have it over here somewhere. Wait a minute. This is what I have by Art by Marlene. This does look a lot the same. I'm really curious. I mean, even the brush is the same. That would be a bit weird. Well, let me see. And I didn't know there was a brush in here, so that was worth the money. Because I think these were, not even €2. And there's a brush. Now the brush is different. Oh, it's got a really nice cap on here. It's like a pen. Anyway, it does look quite the same, but I think all of these nabs are the same. I don't know. Anyway, but wait, I want to see. Oh, in here you have a pink and a purple, and these are all kinds of pink and purple. So I thought, yeah, for €2, and it includes a brush, which I didn't know at the moment. I thought, let's just try it, because I really, really want to try and work with watercolors, because it was, I really don't know how to use watercolors. So, like I said in my previous video, I need to find a tutorial on YouTube. So if you have any good ones, let me know. Because the paper starts to peel. And I do have really wonderful watercolor paper. So I don't get it. I'm doing something wrong. But anyways, I want to try that. So and come on, easy colors like this. But there was another one. And I didn't buy that one, so I wanted to buy all the colors like I always do. It's The Action, it's cheap, it's €2 for this. Not even €2. And so I wanted everything. But no, these ones I really, really can't wait to use once I know how you use watercolor paint. And the other one was really nice, but I thought, okay, these two are okay. So that's how I shop now. Having said that, I saw this and I thought I can't resist this. This is glitter paint. It is for kids. I have no idea if this is really good stuff. I think all of this together was 12 euros. So this was maybe 2 euros as well. It's so cheap. But this is puffy glitter paint. I have no idea, but I saw these colors and these are my colors. I could not buy it. Yes. So I want to try out this. I'm not sure how puffy this is because it is cheap stuff. So it's not going to be nice and puffy like the brand items. But maybe that's okay. Maybe it's a little bit more flat and I do like that. So I want to try this out in one of my next projects because it has also glitter in it. Glitter paint. Let's see if I can open this for a bottle. Let's see what they look like. Well, like bottles, of course. Oh, this is not handy. I do have such a handy little thing for this. I got it from one of my viewers. I'm sorry I forgot the name because I forget names. But I love this. Ta-da! Oh, let's get a pink one. Let's get a pink one. It's got, you can't see it, but it's got little glitters in it. I can't wait to use this. I need to find a spot for this only because... Wait, let me close it again. There's no use opening it, but oh well. I need to find a spot for this so you can really see these colors. I'm just gonna put it somewhere. It's just awesome to look at. That's worth the 2 euros, but I have no idea. Can't wait to use it. Then I have some stencils. Now, these were 79 cents, I think, or 1.29. I always forget to keep the receipt to tell you the price if you're interested in that. But it's all very cheap. Like I said, everything I bought was about 12 euros. So there are more stencils in here, and these are different from the ones I used to have. And those were very, very flimsy. And these are a bit more sturdy. Oh, these are nice. The old ones that you could buy at the Action were so flimsy that they didn't really work. But this one is nice and sturdy. So I've got an alphabet and I've got another alphabet. Ooh. And then you've got another one. They're upside down. Oh wait. And then you've got another one. I could also have shown you over here. So for I think it was 80 cents, but like I said, let's just say it was 1.29. You've got 4 stencils, 4 alphabets, and it works really nice. And alphabets are always, I love these, so it was a no-brainer. I just had to buy it. And then I saw this one. I mean, guys, look at it. It's amazing. So this was worth the 1.29. But then you saw this, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. And it's just, yeah, you cannot not buy it. And then this one, it's amazing. I love it. So this one I'm not gonna use that often, and this one probably either. This a little bit, but this one is awesome. I need to sort through all my stencils because I have a pile like this. And but I'm not gonna throw one out, not one I think, because I just want to organize them in alphabets or words and round shapes and squares and I don't know, all kinds of shapes. And then it will be easier to find a stencil. But I love stencils and you can just never have enough. It's just, yeah, it's just... And for this, I mean, this was 5 euros. It's insane. It's insane. So, they also had an artist aquarelle paper. Oh, it's aquarelle. Watercolor paper. And I used lots of it, the white paper, but now they had black and it's so sturdy. So again, 1.79, not even 2 euros. So I was so tempted to buy 5 of them like I normally do. I do have, I think, maybe 10 of those blocks with the white colored paper, but I do use that for all kinds of projects, so that's okay. And you never know with the Action. They can have something like this and then when it's sold out it never comes back again, or it's something that stays in the collection for 1 or 2 years. You just don't know. So if you like something really much, well, if you like it a lot, and you think you're gonna use more, you need just to stock up. But with this is a lot of black paper, and I haven't used it that often, so I thought one block was enough. But I absolutely love this. So yeah, I've got black paper, and I'm gonna try and use maybe this on it. I'm not sure if this is gonna work on it. And I've got acrylic paints, metallic, so I want to try that out. So, couldn't resist. Okay, and then there was one thing I thought I should not buy this, because I already have so much paint. Okay. But, come on. Look at this. It's so gorgeous. Look at these pastel colors. I mean, if it were these colors, I would not have bought it, because I have Amsterdam acrylic, I have Arteza acrylic, I have, I think, Action acrylic. This is by Deco Time, I think. Most of their stuff is Deco Time. Or this is Artist Quality. Oh, this one is Art Sensations. They have lots of Art Sensations and Craft Sensations and Deco Time. Anyway, I saw these colors and I just fell in love with them, and I know I have a few of these colors in bigger tubes, but it was $4.99 for the whole set. I couldn't resist. Now this is something I should have resisted, but I couldn't, and now I'm very happy I didn't. So I want to try this out. Maybe I'm just gonna donate these, because well, there are some colors I really like, but most of these colors I already have. So, but these, so I can do that, I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm so happy I bought it. So guys, my daughter and I went to the Action. But to be honest, there was so much more. There were stickers I loved, there was paper I loved, there was washi tape. Oh my gosh, don't get me started on the Action washi tape. It's awesome. It's not always the best quality, but you can also put some glue under it. So, but I thought I've just sorted through all my washi tape. I threw out or donated a lot, and I sold a lot, and I still have some items that I want to sell or donate. I'm not sure yet. There's lots of washi tape in there too, so don't buy any new. Only if you really, 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 really like it and it sparks joy and you just are so happy. Well, I'm happy with all my craft stuff, so that doesn't work. But, you know, really, 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 really. I feel like I'm finding excuses to make it right that I bought this, but of course I can buy this. I mean, why not? But it's just that I promised myself I wouldn't buy that much anymore. To be honest, for not having been in the Action for, I think I went once, I think 8 or 9 months ago. I haven't been there in a long time, and how awesome is it that I only bought this? If you've been to the Action, this is not a lot. So I've got paints, and because I don't have enough, I've got paints, glitter paints. I mean, look at these colors. And I've got beautiful brushes to use with my beautiful paints. And then I've got watercolors to try out, because I don't know how they work, apparently. And then I've got lots and lots and lots of awesome stencils, which are very sturdy, by the way, guys. If you have an Action nearby, these are sturdy. The black ones were very flimsy. These are nice. So, yes. And then I've got black paper. I'm so happy with all of this stuff. So now I need to find a spot for it. But to be honest, that's not that hard. I have a spot for my stencils, I have a spot for water solubles, and I have a spot for acrylic paints and other paints. So I'm just gonna see if it's gonna fit in there. But I do have a spot for it, so this is easily put away. Because if you saw my this is my new craft corner video, you might have noticed that there is still quite a lot I have to fit in this craft corner. But I have space for this. I know I do. So guys, I know I've been rambling a little bit, but if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to be notified when I have a new video. And also subscribe. And that's it for today. If you have an Action nearby, run, because you have no idea how long they have this. And to be honest, I bought this a week ago, so some of the items might not be there anymore, but I think they're relatively new. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope you liked it, and all that's left to say is, groetjes uit Holland, greetings from Holland. Bye.